Test of construction materials. A good civil engineer must know this test to ensure quality of work. Some important tests are listed below: soil test, aggregate test, cement test, bitumen test, and concrete test. Soil test. To know the classification of soil, following tests are required: standard penetration test, sand replacement method, core cutter method, standard Proctor test, compression test, Triaxial shear test, and permeability test. Aggregate test. In order to decide the suitability of the aggregate for use in construction, following tests are carried out: crushing test, abrasion test, impact test, soundness test, specific gravity, and water absorption test. Cement test. The following tests are conducted on cement in the laboratory are as follows: soundness test, fineness test, consistency test, setting time test, specific gravity test, and strength test. Bitumen test. The following tests are usually conducted to evaluate different properties of bituminous materials: penetration test, ductility test, softening point test, specific gravity test, viscosity test, flash and float test. Concrete test. The following test is carried out: good quality concrete, slam test, compressive strength test, and water absorption test.